Hello and welcome to TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. We've made many videos on how to use various features in SolidWorks, but what if you wanted to have a little bit of fun with your fellow SolidWorks users? Are there a few places in SolidWorks where you can pull a prank or two? I think so. And while we're at it, you'll learn a little bit about how to customize SolidWorks to your liking. Before we get started, make sure you get a backup of their settings. You certainly don't want to make any enemies. Simply go to the Copy Settings wizard and save their setup. If you don't, make sure you carve out a few hours to remember what all you did and make sure you buy your buddy some lunch for the week. Let's start with colors. We all rely on them to help know what's selected or what's going on. In your SolidWorks settings, you can control the color of pretty much anything. Now don't forget to find the Reset Colors button just in case. Now, I've decided to change the face selection and sketches to a dangling diaper green dimension color, since we all know what that color stands for. Now, make sure you find a superb background image while you're at it. Nothing better than a dog sticking its tongue out at you while you're trying to model. Once you're done changing all of the colors, you can also change the sounds. Back in 2013, SolidWorks added the ability to configure sounds. Scroll down to the bottom on the Windows Sounds list to see the different sounds available. You can also load your own most annoying sounds. Oh, I'd hate to hear that every time I open a model. Many users rely on mouse gestures to speed up their interface experience. What if some of their mouse gestures were linked to a formatting C drive message? Well, you can quickly make a Hello World style message macro, then link that into your mouse gestures. To edit mouse gestures, just get into your customization, find your mouse gesture, and drag the macro onto the most used section of the dial. Then sit back and enjoy watching them call support before they hit OK to format their hard drive. Make sure they call us, because I would absolutely love to handle that support call. While you're editing the mouse gestures, you might as well have some fun with the keyboard shortcuts. Find out which keys have shortcuts and reassign them to the same macro we've been using, or whatever works for you. Now, I hope you've found some tips on how to prank your fellow SolidWorks users and learned some very useful SolidWorks customization methods. And finally, please make sure you can put their setup back. And thank you, and we hope to see you next time.